Hi everyone. Now we're going to export this so that we can submit it. So I'm going to show you how to export it, and then I'm going to show you how to submit it. So once we go here, we're going to go export media, just like before. If it's different up here, switch to H.264. We're going to match the source high bit rate, and then I can double click on the output name, and you're going to call this FPO-2-Crawford, and you're going to put that into your exports folder, and you're going to hit save, and we're going to export it. Okay, now you can see inside my export folder, I've got my video. All you're going to do now with your video there is just going to drag it into your folder. If you search 21 film, I'll pretend I'm Adrian. So there's 21 film, Adrian. You go find your own, and you're just going to drag this into here. Once you've done that, what I would like you to do is this. So you've got your video in here, and here's Adrian's draft number 1. I'm going to right click on that, and I'm going to share it. And you can see right now, I can add people, or I can just copy the link. All I want you to do is copy the link. So I've copied the link, and then I'm done. Once I've copied the link now, what I'm going to do is go into, let's go into TOK, Adrian, step by step. And I'm inside here now. This is inside your folder. It's just easier for me to find it if I type that in for Adrian. And I go down here, you can see all the work Adrian's done. Thanks, Adrian, for letting me do this. And now here's the link to the film. I'm going to hit click here. And then I'm going to right click. And I'm going to link. Once you've linked that, then I can take a look at all the work you've done in your pre-production. And I can click link right here. I can click on the link to watch your video.